Welcome to the SAP BTP Developer Mastery Program. This video series serves as a complete technical guide for multi-cloud development, presented by a BTP expert with over a decade of experience. In our first module, we cover the core architecture of SAP BTP. We explore account hierarchies, the isolation model for security, multi-region strategies, environmental support for Cloud Foundry and Kaima, and the central role of the BTP cockpit. Module 2 focuses on administration and governance. We look at managing entitlements and service quotas, using the service marketplace, implementing role collections, structuring sub-accounts with directories, and utilizing platform-level logging for audit purposes. Next, we examine the SAP Business Application Studio. Learn about the DevSpace concept, how to leverage the local-like development experience, productivity tools, multi-target application support, and integrated connectivity for your projects. Modules 4 and 5 cover Fiori and UI5 development. We discuss the MVC paradigm, data binding techniques for OData, the consistency of the Fiori design system, componentization for modularity, and using Fiori elements for rapid screen creation. Module 6 dives into SAP HANA Cloud Modeling. We cover cloud persistence, managing isolated schema instances via HDI containers, using calculation views and SQL script for performance, multi-tenancy, and using the Database Explorer. In Module 7, we explore the Cloud Application Programming Model, or CAP. Topics include CDS modeling, the service-centric architecture, agnostic design for databases, generic CRUD providers, and out-of-the-box security features. Module 8 introduces the SAP Integration Suite. We cover API management, visual cloud integration flows, open connectors for non-SAP systems, event-driven architecture with event mesh, and the use of business accelerators. Module 9 is dedicated to security and authentication. We discuss integrating SAP Cloud Identity Services, the role of XSUAA for OAuth 2.0, secure JWT token exchange, the destination service, and the connectivity service for secure tunnels. Finally, Module 10 covers the SAP Build low-code platform. Learn about building apps with drag-and-drop interfaces, process automation, using WorkZone for digital workplaces, low-code/no-code synergy, and defining business logic. To wrap up, we view the end-to-end architecture from an expert perspective. Remember that standard development flows move from data modeling in HANA to CAP services and Fiori interfaces. Prioritize portability in your multi-cloud strategy and utilize the BTP free tier. For your continued growth, utilize these learning resources. Explore SAP learning journeys, mission-based tutorials at developers.sap.com, and stay connected with the SAP community. Thank you for joining this program. This scene lists the image sources used throughout this video series to ensure transparency regarding the technical diagrams provided. This final scene continues the documentation of our image sources used for the architectural diagrams in this video.